Are you still relying on legacy Excel VBA user forms? What if you could easily turn them into modern, standalone Python desktop applications, and compile them into EXE files using AI? In this video, we'll take this VBA user form, convert both its interface and logic to Python using AI, and build an executable app you can run anywhere. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our starting point. Here we have a classic Excel VBA user form for calculating travel expenses. It takes the distance, a vehicle type from this drop-down, and calculates the total cost when we click Calculate. It works, but it's completely stuck inside Excel. Now, let's copy this VBA code and see how AI can translate it into Python. Let's open Claude. I already have my base prompt ready here. You can copy the exact template from the description below. I'll just paste our copied VBA code right into it. We're basically asking Claude to convert both the GUI and the logic into Python using CustomTkinter. Let's hit enter and watch Claude generate our app. Claude generated the full Python script. Let me click Copy Code. Open VS Code, create a new file named app.py. Paste the Python code here. And save the file with Ctrl+S. Next, open the terminal in VS Code, and type pip install CustomTkinter to install the required library for our UI. Once that's done, let's run our script and test the new interface. Look at that. Our Python application opens up, and it looks much more modern than the old Excel user form. Let's test it. If we type 100 for the distance, keep compact selected, and click Calculate, we get $50, exactly like our original VBA code. Now, to make this app usable on any Windows PC without needing Python installed, let's turn it into a standalone executable file using PyInstaller. First, in the terminal, type pip install PyInstaller to install PyInstaller. Now, run PyInstaller, no console, one file, app.py. This creates a single executable file and hides the background command window. Once PyInstaller finishes, open the DST folder created in your project. Inside, you'll find your standalone app.exe file. To make it feel like a real desktop application, let's drag and drop it right onto our desktop. Let's double-click it, and there you have it, a fully functional app running completely independent of Python or Excel. And that's how you convert old VBA macros into modern, shareable Python apps using AI. Don't forget to check the description for the GitHub link and the exact prompt used. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.